So hello. Once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Lenovo Legion 5 Pro AMD edition. Hopefully the stream is working properly because I got complaints from OBS Studio. Let's check out the stream. Unstable connection. There is no way my connection is unstable. That's no way. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm back and as always recording locally and streaming. We are back in KaOS Linux, Niri Noctalia. You can pause the stream or later on my YouTube channel the video when it will be available, and take a good look at your own pace on the system information. Just pay attention on the screen resolution, which today is 2K running at 165 Hz. The graphics, the GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Mobile or else Max-Q, and as you can see, these are my OBS settings. 2K, downscaled in Full HD something to keep the aspect ratio of 16:10, 30 FPS. I'm using 8000 bitrate, hardware encoders for the audio and the video. For the audio it's FMPEG AAC, and for the video NVIDIA H.264. And for the file I'm using MKV. So yeah, with these things out of the way, let us I forgot to do it, but I think I have it here more or less. Actually I don't. Anyway, I will just do it right now. What is KaOS Linux? Here we are. Welcome to KaOS, a Linux Qt distribution. KaOS is an independent, built from scratch Linux distribution focused on Qt. And this is very important here in the news. KaOS Dinit 2026-06, to be precise June 24th. After almost 3 years of preparation and close to a year of trials, building, testing and rebuilding, KaOS is proud to present to you a first stable ISO that is fully Dinit based. For those interested in the reason why all these changes, please read System D and the Future of KaOS. Here, another news article a few months ago. This was my first ever try of KaOS, and since then I'm convinced that this is for me. This is like my perfect candidate to be using. Anyway, after plenty of goes, I've managed finally to have let me zoom in out a bit. I managed to have my how can I say this? My goals for running KaOS Linux. Every single goal done, completed, including the guide. And before I will show you the guide, I just wanted to mention that the other day regarding about DaVinci Resolve, I've said that you can convert files very fast by using what you will see in the guide. And I'll try to demonstrate this one right now. For example, this part here. So let's just go and try to do that on the terminal. I will have to go first to change the folder, this one. Okay, and then I have to check out the file name because I don't remember exactly. It's one of those MKVs over there, so I'll just paste the Oops, my bad. I'll paste this one. And then I will just go ahead and change the name. Actually, this little asterisk here, I will just put the name here, 0198, for example. Boom. Done. And remember that this is while I'm recording and streaming locally, and you know, doing all the hard work at the same time. And then I'm going to do the same with I think 97. Maybe I have it ready. Let's just take it with 198 now. I'll just cancel, and then I can do this one to change the name. As you saw, it was like a second or two, something like that. So right now, if I will go into DaVinci Resolve Studio, this capture of OBS and the conversion that I have done, it will properly go inside the DaVinci Resolve Studio. So yeah, I had to convert 197 as well, but it doesn't matter, same thing. So I'll just stick with it. So this one is the capture and this one is the final working file. So here we are. This one, no audio while inside DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let me open up the volume a bit. Nothing, no audio. And this one, no problem, it will have the audio. Then type in your sudo password. So yeah, and you can do this just by dragging here on the timeline. As you can see, no audio for this one, and for this one, both the video and the audio, boom, just like that. So yeah, as you can see, the performance of the system, even though it's old and never taken care of hardware wise, you know, dust it off, clean properly, repurpose the glue, not repurpose, reapply the glue on the CPU and GPU, nothing. Anyway, I'll close now DaVinci. So yeah, if you will read the guide here, this is very important for you to understand. Sorry, this part here. Attention, remember that the following are 100% correct for my system and my installation. If I have missed a step, made a mistake, etc., please write to me in one of my videos comments. Thanks for understanding. And of course, most of the steps are like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can, you know, one after another. But maybe I have mixed up, you know, a step here and there. Maybe I have missed another step, and especially regarding my guide of how to install Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve, especially there, I'm not exactly sure if I have everything covered. Maybe I missed a step here or there, but yeah, I will see what to do about it. Maybe I will try to have my guide going on once again on this system, meaning I will reformat the system and reapply everything, but I digress at the moment. Anyway, and the other thing that I wanted to say is that I have here my complete Niri Noctalia configs, including the quoted lines from the default installation. So yeah, you can find the parts that I have unquoted, so to speak, and copy them. Or you know, make a comparison what you want to copy from my config and so on. So I wasn't sure how to handle it, so I left it all in. And finally, I have also given you some kind of a guide for KaOS as well, more or less in the same vein, like, you know, in the same manner of all of the rest of my guides. But most of this stuff is coming, you know, like from memory, from watching my videos, my videos regarding the KaOS Niri, I mean. Anyway, hopefully this is safe as well, but same thing, attention. Remember that the following are 100% correct for my system and my installation, yada yada. So yeah, all these guides you can find the special link on every single video on my YouTube channel, which will take you here, and then you can open up any of the guides mentioned here. And remember that these guides cover like you know, the wallpaper jumper. For example, right now I'm on the wallpaper 447, and then I can do like for example I don't know, 1000, let's go 1100, something like that. Boom. And it will utilize the effects and everything. Okay, did I... Okay, this is strange. Maybe I need to restart the service. Huh. This is strange. Dinit. Restart. And where is it? This one. Because I was experimenting a lot with my system, maybe I damaged the service. Let's go. Okay. This is very strange. Huh. So then why it doesn't work? What did I do wrong? Okay, now it worked again. A bug in the system, so to speak. Anyway, and also the cursor factory, which is like sorry, like this. You can create a new cursor set or select one of the existing ones, just like this, and then you select the size, and you know the rest of the stuff, like having the custom terminal fast fetch prompt, like the ability to update the system by just typing KaOSman and then your password, your sudo password. Boom, it will update everything, all the apps, Flatpaks, etc. No problem. So yeah, all of these things, the customization, you know, the top panel, the Swedish calendar here that includes the week's numbers. All these things are inside the guide. The dock, how the apps look like, for example, flat seal, and then having I don't know, some kind of let's just say this up here. Two different technologies, and seemingly more or less they have the same appearance, pleasant to the eye, matching each other. So yeah, I don't want to drag this any longer. I think this is fine for now. If you liked what you have been seeing in the past few days, maybe week or so, regarding KaOS Niri Noctalia, you can follow my guide now and reproduce what I have been showing you for the past many days now. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!